Portrait, tikuonetseni portrait. Tikuonetseni. Ma auction alipo ya mitundu iwiri. Pali auction ya America, pali auction ya British. Ya America imanena kuti apiri mutenga chintu chiwani kwacha. Mutenga chintu chiwani kwacha. Perekani wani kwachayo. Ndio wani kwacha ija imaperekedwa. Ikaperekedwa taisunga ifeo. Wina abanda anena kuti ndipereka 2 kwacha. 2 kwacha yonso tiitenga. Ena ndipereka 3 kwacha. 3 kwacha yonso tiitenga. Amene atazasirizire kuti ndipereka 5 kwacha popanda umutsutsa tizatenga 5 kwachayo ndikumpasa chintu. Yoyamba imeneyo. Yachiwiri wawani kwacha sapereka. Wa 2 kwacha sapereka. Azilimbana. Amene atazasalire kuti ndasala ndi 10 kwacha. Ameneyo ndi amene atenge chintu. Koma pa fundraising sitisata njira imeneyo Fatima funa titolere kobidi lina lililonse. Ndiye ziwiri izi tinazipanga hybrid. Tinazipanga nankhuni auction imene chitike muno. Aliyense oyimika zanja ndalama imene mutaichuleyo tiyilandira. Tamvana? Aoneseni chitunzi. Chintu ichichi cost yake ndi 1 million kwacha. Akuonetsani. Aonetseni. Ndi 1 million kwacha. Portrait imene 1 million kwacha. Chimene chichitike ndichi. Mukafika mulingo wina mukulimbana kugula ichichi. Chipani chakonza kuti chikakuchitirani print chinanso ngati chomwechi. Mutafika pa mulingo wamakobiri abwino. Tiyerekeze anankhuni achitenga ichichi 100 million usiku uno. Koma apiri anafika pa 80 million. Sana kankha ameneyo. Tikachitira print exactly akakhale nacho ku nyumba kawo kapena ku office. Simomwemo. That's what is going to happen. Uyu ndiye wosaopa uja uyu. Uyu ndiye wosafoka uja uyu. Ndi chimeneje? Taombani mmanja. Tikuyamba. We are ready? The cost of this portrait is 1 million kwacha. 1 million ndi pamene tiyambire kumapita kutsogolo. Tikachoka pa 1 million ipo amene anena kuti 1 million. 1 million imene ikulembedwa dzina ndipo imeneyo tiyilandira monga tagwirizana. Ndipo tizikwera mpaka na tikafike kuti tithera pati. Zabwino apatron ndi amene akufikawo zonse zili nkati tikhati kupitiriza zonse. Do I see a hand? Amene akunena kuti portrait imeneyi ndikutenga ine pa 1 million kwacha. Do I see a hand? 1 million kwacha. 1 million kwacha. Do I see a hand? 1 million kwacha. 1 million. Aliyense amene ali muno sikuti zama presidential candidate okawo kaiyayi. It's open to all of us. Do I see a hand? 1 million. Do I see a hand? 1 million. Tambira batali. All right. Mufuna muyambire pati. 1 million akambala. 1 million. 1 million. 1 million 100. So honorable, mundirole ndi mphamvu zimene ndapasidwa usiku uno sitizienda ndi ma 100, tizienda ndi ma 200 kuti tizienda mothamanga komanso mosunga nthawi. So honorable, 1 million 200. 1 million 200 kambala. 1 million 200. 1 million 200. Do I see a hand? 1 million 200. He will maintain that or he will win with the 1 million 200. 1 million 400. Dr. Ntumbuka. 1 million 400. 1 million 400. Dr. Ntumbuka. 1 million 400. 1 million. Do I see a hand from the patron? Yes, Dr. Kabambe. 2 million Dr. Kabambe. 2 million. Ndinene sokuti muta inuyo kupanga nsoma alliance munomo. Kumanena kuti ine ndi 500 imene ndi apasa Dr. Ntumbuka. 500 imene ndi apasa Dr. Kabambe. Mukumveti? Ndi muta kumachita ride pamene popo. Ndi apasa Aliyese amene mukuda kuti ndifuna ndimpaseyo. So tili pa 2 million. 2 million. Dr. Kabambe 2 million. Dr. Kabambe 2 million. Sinafike poyamba kuchita account. Sinafika kuchita account. 2 million. 2 million. Ndinene kuti the figure, if you are going to continue on that figure, sikuti mukachula 1 million tirandira, then mukachula 400 zanda 400. No, you are building up on that. We will get the final figure at the very end. Agreed? 2 million. 2 million going? 2 million? Do I see a hand? 2 million? 2 million? Honorable Kaneka, do I see a hand? Are you riding on one of the three? No? Do I see somebody helping Dr. Kabambe? Do I see somebody helping Engineer Kambala? Yes, you are helping Engineer Kambala? Kwacha? 2,000 kwacha? No. No. Thank you very much. We are moving in 200,000. Thank you for your generosity. Komatira ndira munthawi yake polandira za chopereka. We are moving in 200,000. 200,000. If you are riding, if you are helping Engineer Kambala, give him 200,000. If you are helping Dr. Ntumbuka, give him 200,000. If you are giving Dr. Kabambe, give him 200,000. So we are 2 million. 2 million. 2.2 Dr. Ntumbuka. 2.2. 2.2. Nimafuna pamenepo. Ife amene tilibe makobiri ife Mulungu atipase mphaso yomba mmanja. Mmanja ano. Mafuna pamenepo. Tiziombe. 2.2 Dr. Ntumbuka. 2.2. 2.2. 2.2. 3 million Dr. Kabambe. 3 million. Dr. Kabambe, 3 million. Dr. Kabambe, 3 million. We have here 4 million in Jawara. 4 million in Jawara. 4 million in Jawara. 4 million Jawara. 3 million Kabambe. 2.4 4 million. 4 million Jawara. 4 million Jawara. 4 million Jawara. Do I see a hand? Do I see a hand? Do I see a hand? Yes, Dr. Kabambe. 5 million. 5 million. Sobano, pamene tafika pa 5 million. Kuomba mmanja kwatu kusintha. Aliyese amata chule figure yoposa 5 million. Tiziti pu. Takwirizane? Fati kukwera kuchanya sopano. 6 million in Jawara. Pu. 6 million Jawara. 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 Dr. Ntumbuka, are you there? 6 million Jawara. 6 million Jawara. Manja again. Pu. Do I see a hand from Chaka, Director of Youth? Director of Youth? Fredo, Dangote, are you riding on anybody? Are you giving your vote on anybody? You are helping Njawala, you are helping Kabambe, you are helping Tumbuka, you are helping engineer. Njawala, how much? 1 million. 1 million. Fredo is giving Njawala 1 million to make it 7 million. Poo. Do I see a hand helping Kabambe? Do I see a hand helping Tumbuka? Do I see a hand helping engineer Kambala? Njawala is at 7 million. Njawala is at 7 million. Do I see another hand helping Njawala? Yes, I see a hand at the very end. You are helping who? Njawala, 500,000. Go get the details. Anda Kulemeka is giving Njawala 500,000, making it 7.5 million kwacha. Pooh. Yes. All right. Dr. Kabambe is talking to us. Yes. SG is giving 500. Organizing secretary is giving 500,000 to Dr. Kabambe. So Dr. Kabambe stands with how much? 7.5. 5.5 Kabambe. Okay. Chinsinga is giving 200 to Dr. Kabambe. 5.7. Yes. Just a moment. I'll come to you in the. Yes, there's a hand there, madam. She's giving 1 million to Dr. Kabambe. 6.2 million, Dr. Kabambe. 6.7, Dr. Kabambe. There's a hand. Yes. Okay. There's another hand here. Yes, my brother. There is a 500,000 to Dr. Kabambe here. We'll get there. Yeah, we'll get there. Yes, I'll get to Kaneka. There's another hand here. Let me just finish here. There's a hand here. 1 million to Dr. Kabambe. Which is how much? 8.2 million Kabambe. Kaneka, you are giving Njawala. How much? 500,000. Kaneka giving to Njawala. 500, making it 8 million. 8 million. I see a hand. He is giving 1 million to Dr. Kabambe. 1 million to Dr. Kabambe. Kabambe, you are at 9.2. Richard Makonde, I see your hand. 500,000 Richard Makonde to Njawala. 8.5 Njawala. 8.5 Njawala. Kabambe, 9.2. 9.2. 9.2, 8.5. We are getting closer to where we want to be tonight. But let's not leave Dr. Tumbuka behind. Let's not leave engineer behind. Yes, so friends of the engineer, yes, Mrs. Kabambe, you are adding 1 million to your husband. All right. All right. So Team Kabambe is how much? 10.2 million. Tangoyamba. 10.2. 10.2 Tiwombere Manja. Poo. Do I see friends to Njawala? Njawala. Yes, Chinsinga. No, we are taking 200,000. We are moving 200. 200,000 from Chinsinga to Dr. Kabambe. 200,000. 200,000 Chinsinga to Dr. Kabambe. All monies to be paid by Monday, 4 p.m. That's a reminder. Njawala, yes. Kumbo, are you here? Kumbo. Kumbo, good evening, Kumbo. 200,000 to Njawala. There is another hand at the back. Yes, how much? 200,000. Who is the gentleman that is? DALITSO 200,000 to Njawala. Yes, DALITSO. Nkuza. Ndulamizu. Nkulamizu. Okay, 200 from Nkulamizu. Okay, 200,000, 200,000, 200,000. Do I see a hand? Another hand? Do you want to know where we stand? Let me know. Kabambe team, how much? Come on, come on, come on, come on. 10.4, Kabambe. 10.4. Njawala. 8.9. 8.9 Njawala. Yes, it's just short of 2 million. It's just short of 2 million. Dr. Mtumbuka, Engineer Kambala, you can also, if you are no longer on the road, you can pick the two and continue helping them. Do I see a hand? Do I see a hand for? I'll go when I reach a 10. When I reach a 10, I'll go. There's a hand there. For who? Honorable Njawala, 1 million kwacha. 9.9. 9.9. Can we get 100,000 to make it 10 million? Yes, we can take 100 so that we are able to move with good numbers. Okay, brother, he is giving 100,000 to make it 10 million. So we have 10 million in Njawala. Kabambe, 10.4. 10.4. Now, it's very close, eh? Very, very close. Very close. Now, we are going to take the last round to start counting down. All right? Okay. Do I see? I'm going to give 1 minute to Friends of Njawala to close. 1 minute, Friends of Njawala to close. Muzingo imika manjasa na kuchule na Njawala. And the minute start counting now. 10 for Njawala. 9. Yes. Engineer Kambala. Oh, there's a hand, madam, there. 5 million. Engineer Kambala is back in the race. Life support machine. Engineer Kambala is back. He's back. 5 million. So how much is for Engineer Kambala? 6.2. He's coming. He's coming. Another hand where? Yes, madam. 5 million, Engineer Kambala. 5 million, Engineer Kambala. So, Engineer Kambala is how much? 11 million. Poo. Now. Yes, there's another hand. Yes, madam. 1 million, Engineer Kambala. 1 million, Engineer Kambala. Poo. Quest Msusa, are you raising a hand? There's no quest. You are feeding. All right. We are now giving 1 minute to my brother here to wind up Njawala, to close before we start counting. 10 for Njawala. 9 Njawala. Yes, a hand. 200,000.
Regional Governor, North, Honorable Dr. Mlenga.
Dr. Mlenga, 200. I'm at 8. 7. I'm counting down. 7. 6. Counting down. 6. Counting down. 5. Yes, get the figures. I'm counting down. Get the figures. Get the figures.
How much is it? How much?
100. 4. Counting down. 4 for Njawala. Counting down. We'll get there. We'll get there. Ndirande 1. How much? 200,000 Ndirande 1. 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have closed for Njawala. We have closed for Njawala. We have engineer, how much now? 12.2. Dr. Kabambe, 10.4. So we go to Dr. Kabambe. 1 minute closing down. 15.4. Who is at 15? Give me right figures. No. Just give me the figures. All right. Okay. Njawala, we at 13.4. Kabambe, 15.4. Ntumbuka, 3.6. Kambala, 12.2. So, Kabambe is leading. He's at 15.4. So I'll give Engineer Kambala. So what is going to happen is, we'll make it a fair game. A fair game between the two. All right? Yes. Okay. SG, don't worry. I'll give you your own time to do your donation. We closed on you. This is what is going to happen. We are going to make it fair and free for the two. Can I have 2 ladies here? Ladies, the one who are doing the computing. Yes, 1 stand here for Dr. Kabambe, 1 stand there for Dr. Kambala. You get the figures from Dr. Kambala's team. You have where to write. You take it in your head, my dear. You're so sharp. All right, I trust you. Thank you. So, I'm going to give them 2 minutes, they'll close down. The highest bidder will get it. Fair and square. All right? So, friends of Dr. Kabambe and Dr. Kabambe himself, start adding on your monies now. You have 2 minutes. Friends of Engineer Kambala and your team, start closing up now. You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes starts now. 10, 9. You get the figures from the people from there. And I'll just be closing down. 8. Yes, we're online. Alan Ngumuya in the US. 250,000. Yes. Alan Ngumuya has sent 250,000 for you. Will that change anything? Of course. So we add it. Thank you very much, Alan Ngumuya. We love you. Thank you. 7, 6, 5. Kambala Kabambe. 4. Kambala Kabambe. 3. Kambala Kabambe. 2. 1. 1 minute gone. Another minute. 10. There's a hand there. Pick him. Duramizu. Pick him. 8. Gerard Tasaukadala. 150,000. Yes. You are picking up. Yes. Tabulate. 6, 5, 4. Who is helping Dr. Kabambe? 3, Dr. Kabambe is complaining. Nobody is getting the numbers from him. For Kambala. Chekanjere. Yes, it's going there. It's going there. Take them. Take the figures. Take the figures. Take the figures. Take the figures. 3, 2. No problem. Add it there. Add it there. That's for his. 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Dangote, you have something to say? 200,000 for Njawala. Okay, thank you very much. Can you take it? 3, 2, give her. 1, 0. Fair and square. Fair and square. I don't know how much. Go, tabulate, give me the figures. Then we'll know the winner. Do the tabulation. And it's going to be audited. There's 100,000 from Godfrey to Njawala. Njawala kupupa betu. Njawala kupupa betu. Kwa antu inuyo now ngati amene maonerera. Ma portrait iyi ipita kwa highest bidder. Agreed, aitenga usiku uno. Otsatira number 2 timpangira yake. Ndalama ndi zambiri bwino eti. Number 3 iliponso. Number 2 atengera atumo muno. Atenga. Number 3 is how much? Iwe Njawala? 11.6. You also deserve one? Yes. And for solidarity, who else? Dr. Ntumbuka, he did a good job. We also print one for him. Yeah. There are 3. 3 will go tonight. The 4th one for Dr. Ntumbuka, you'll get one. You are a fighter. You have done extremely very well. Yes. Your team? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Team Njawala, do you have anything to give him as we are closing up for the last time? For the last time. Mwaonese aone mafigao akutisidwe nao. Dr. Kabambe mwaonese mafigao akutisidwe nao. Fair and square. We are getting there. Akutisidwe nao engineer Kambala? There's a hand. Yes, doctor. For solidarity. Okay, engineer Kambala, for solidarity, akuti should top up on Ntumbuka, akuti afike bena bagi. Akuti akubasani 400,000. Yes. Okay. Mera tukonjezera 400, tukonjezera so kwa mwini wako perekayo 1 million. 1 million. Akuti Anjawala muzimu amamva akazi ama presidential candidates wa akuauza zimunao kuti koma Njawala Mungu musiyasiya. Timafuna tichitire ulemu anthu awa amene anali team Kambala, amene amuthandiza Kambala kufiga imene tichuleyo. Kanjere, mulipata Kanjere. Job well done. Thank you very much. Taombereni mmanja. Akachere, mulipata Akachere. Ali ku England. tiwaombera mmanja online, manja mwao mwakachere. Chidanti, is it Chidanti Malunga? Where, yes, Dr. Job well done. Round of applause to Dr. Chidanti Malunga. Is this Nyongo? Yongo. Oh, the young man. Wonderful. Round of applause to the young man. Team Kabala, thank you very much. You gave 200,000. Chidanti gave 1 million. We had 250 from Kachere, 200 from another one from making it 1.65 million. You have a good team. What about you, madam? What's your name, madam? Annie Makuta, 1 million. Yes, 1 million from Annie Makuta. Round of applause. Yes, madam. What's your name? 5 million. 5 million. What's your name, madam? Okay, beautiful. Round of applause. Osaopa. It's fine, it's fine. There is another 200,000 for him. 200,000. All right. Dr. Kabambe is very good at mathematics and he is making sure that the figures must tally. He was able to calculate in his head, so he has seen that somewhere is not matching. So we give him all the opportunity to be satisfied. Free and fair and square. Another one. Komandoma zimene zotu koma zipite kuthumba loyenerera atu bwino ndana amene mwauze kuti kumazipanga ma 200 anzanu chifanja wala sana chanjere bwino anyamata kumwanza so anjawala mwauze kuti azitipasa ma 200. Auditing done. All right. Beautiful. 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 Pakubera utenga wabwino hapa. Yes. There's good news to both of you, all candidates who participated in this auction. There's good news for you. Mai Manyusha akupereka 500,000 kwa Kambala, kwa Ntumbuka 500,000, Team Kaliati 500,000, Team Kabambe 500,000. Iwakiwa. Okay, and 500 for him. So it's like 2 million from my Manyusha. 2 million. 2.5. Oh, you are live. 2.5. Can we give a round of applause to, where is she? She's where? She's in Ilongwe. Another one. Your sister? Elizabeth. 100,000. Talk to me when you get your 200,000. Are you done auditing? Those figures. Yeah? You just have to add my 500. For all of them. Yeah, just add 500. 500. Tikamaliza pamenepa. You have a 200. That I can take. From Madinga. 200,000 kwacha. So you must be closer somewhere now. No. Wow. All right.
I'm receiving a big one.
When?
Now, just wait.
Okay.
This one is very big. Wait. You can tell the period is taking time.
All right. Yes. It's not for you. 1 million for Dr. Kabambe. From who? Oh, it doesn't want to be, then we shouldn't mention the name. John Majau. Yeah, but you cannot beat Engineer Kambala and the Kabambe.
I'm not a president.
All right, okay. So Dr. Kabambe has 1 million from a well-wisher who will not name him, but God knows him. So we can give him a round of applause. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Kabambe. Yes. Yes. To you. Okay. 500,000. Adi Tunjawala. Adi Tunjawala 500,000 kwacha. Are we together? All right. Pereke mpoto zimenezi kwa wina ndipo the highest bidder ndi amene tiyambe kumuitana chifukwa chakuti ASG salachite no participate tidzapasa ulemu waukulu oti atiperekere zima portrait zimenezi chifukwa she is not an interested party in this regard and inu mitima yanu ikhale iri m'malo zili. You can do it. Yes, please. Thank you. She will do it. She will do that. Oh, you want to participate? Okay. All right. Fair and square. Fair and square. Dr. Kaliat alipa 500,000. Sijonjo. 500,000. Ndieno tuwapase naonso mpata. Sijonjo. Kuti afikira pati. Azisunda oka. Eti, tagwirizana, democracy. Dr. Kaliati, you have 5 minutes to push yourself wherever you can be. Your friends, yourself, give us the number. You are at 500,000. 500,000. There's a hand, yes. You are adding 400,000. 400,000. Alipa 900,000. 900,000. Do I see another hand? Yes, madam. You are giving now 200,000 kwacha. 200,000. Somebody is tabulating? Okay. Do I see another hand? Kwesi ujatu uyo wabwera atu mafuna uji. Yeah, kwesi. Yes. Engineer Gambala. Okay, Engineer Kambala is giving 500,000 to Dr. Kaliat. 500,000. Yes, madam. 100,000 from madam. Kwesi Mponda. Lois Mponda. Lois, 100,000. Lois, 100,000. All right. Okay. Quest is putting $1 million. Ikawanidwe kwa wonse amene kuchita participate. 200, eh? Fair and square. Round of applause to Quest. Yes. Yes, we know. Koma mwini wako wanena. No. Yes. 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 No. As a director of ceremony tonight, I announce that the 1 million is going to be shared equally by all candidates. We are with you. You are at 900. Wait. 1.1? 1.9? All right, 1.9. $1 million. The patron is giving Dr. Kaliat 1 million kwacha. 1 million kwacha. 1 million. Another hand? Side care, country director. 500,000. There's a hand here. Yes, madam. 100,000 kwacha to Dr. Kaliat. Thank you. Yes, there's a hand there. Yes, madam, you come again. 200,000 supporting your fellow woman. 200,000. 200,000. Do I see another hand? Makonde is giving 500,000 to Dr. Kaliat. 500,000. Yes, doctor. You are giving 100,000. Yes. Dr. Jidant, 200,000. Dr. Jidant, 200,000. You are tabulating? Okay. All right. Shall we know? 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go for Dr. Kaliat. Add 3 million. 3 million. 3 million added. 1.5 minutes to Dr. Kaliat. 1 minute? Yes, a hand. 200,000 to Dr. Kaliat. 200,000. Tabulated? 200,000. 1 minute going for Dr. Kaliat. Yes. Is for Dr. Kaliat. Apa bodi nzake Dr. Kaliat foni amba kuvuta. 9, 8, yes, Mrs. Kabambe, you are helping your fellow woman. 200,000 ekwacha. 200,000 ekwacha. 200,000. Mr. Sukari, 200,000. Top it up. Honorable Stephen Sukari, 200,000. Topping up. Yes, a hand over there. 200,000. 200,000. Okay. Apo get the 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Beauty 200,000 Chaima. 4, 3, 2. I'm supposed to be impartial. 1, 0. Your time gone. Round of applause. Fair and square. Tabulate for Dr. Kaliat. Ampo Sanjawala? Wow. Nambala ya Airtel ya dzadza sikulandiranso kwa inu amene mungate kutumiza tumizani pa nambala isopano ndi ya impamba imene 088819342 olipa 088819342 olipa chiruwa ulo chiruba mene mungachite pronounce 0888319342 tumizani pamenepo. Chijota from United Kingdom, 150,000 for Dr. Kaliati. 150,000 for Dr. Kaliati. Chijota from UK. Alipo 4. Ku UK yuko? All of them are in UK. Wow. Okay. There's a hand. Yes, madam. Yes. Honorable Kambala's siblings, chichewa chake, azichemwe yawo ndi azichimwene yawo ndi ana awo wonse mbumba akuonjezera pamene anali paja 9 million kwacha. 9 million kwacha. Fair and square. Dr. Kabambe, ma siblings anu ndi azibale anu nanunso tikupaseni mwa 80 fair and square. Azibale anu akabambe fair and square. Timalizire pamene. Tikangolengeza yata game. Tikalengeza game yata. Chifukwa tikalengeza malamulo ake amati the winner will get it. So you cannot say amene wasatenge nditenge ine. That's fraud. Yes. BX3352. BX3352. Go and move your car and zano afuna kutuluka now. Please. Please. Yes. Honorable Catherine Zumala akupereka 1 million kwa Dr. Matthews Ntumbuka. Honorable Mzumala ameneo. Taombereni mmanja. Honorable Mzumala 1 million yapita kwa musamamu nene kuti muntu uyu wafa. Aza kuzizimusani. Ntumbuka wazuka tu. Anda kuzuka ndi ma 1 million. Bwana Bima to Honorable Kaliati 100,000. Bwana Bima to Honorable Kaliati 100,000. Well received. Well received. Yes, tikuyanga na tsopa no mafiga o series. Yes. Siblings ya Kabambe is adding 3 million kwacha. 3 million kwacha. Captured? Captured team? Answer me. Ine kubwera panopa kukhala director of ceremony. Muntu andiuze kuti ma siblings zanga kundipasa 200 ningalengeze? Ndi akhala baji ma sibling. Aya. Tauze kuti tili pa online anthu akutionera ku Iceland. Akutionera ku Vancouver. Ku Geneva. Takambira ma siblings takambira nani bwino kumene. Takambira nani. Mwauza da director of ceremony samalengeza ma 200,000 ama siblings. Akambira ne bwino. Discuss. Discuss. Mwina sibling aliyeka Tingomulandira All right. Tatseka tukudikira tabulation kuti atipasa final figure. Yes. we have closed. $500,000. Asaone ma final figure ndingolengeza. Amene funa kuchita top azingochita top hapo koma saone mafika. Fair and square. Ndalama zimene zonse ziperekedwa by Monday 4 p.m. Anthu onse achita pledge muno, anthu achilungamo okaoka. Atenganso malumbiro abwino. Alright, tatseka. Ndipo mafiga athu akuenda motere. Dr. Matthews Mtumbuka, 5.7 million kwacha. Thank you very much. You have a portrait. Ndipo otsatira pambuyo pao Dr. Patricia Kaliat, 8.5 million kwacha. Owatsatira ake kodi iwe Dr. sir? Muzakhala. The future to be Dr. Njawala, 16 million kwacha. Kuchoka pamenepo pali nkhondo. Pali chani? Dr. Kabambe ndi engineer. Mmodzi mwa inu wawina. Dikirani. Mmodzi mwa inu wawina. Wawina very close. Would you want a minute to push up? No. Before they know the figure. Because if they know the figure, then there's no need. I just want to give them a chance. Do you want, or I should announce the way it is? You are out? You are ready? Okay. Akuti ngatawaka ana ndiye kuti tisi hapo mwepo. Tisi hapo mwepo. Fair and square. Ana katu onse aonjezera. No. Yes, I'm saying, what I'm saying is, we closed. So after closing, ndana kuti wawina pang'ono kumposa nzake. Atakhala kuti onse wavomereza kuti aonjezera ika fair and square. Koma kuti aonjezere mmodzi, it will not be fair. Agreed? So I'm announcing the way it is. Yes. Engineer Kambala, 25,250 kwacha. Round of applause. Team Kabambe, 26,700,000 kwacha. So you can see 25, 26. Winner 700, winner 250. Very close, eh? Very, very close. Your Honorable, the Secretary General, tabwera nukutsogolo kuno mutiperekere koyamba kwa Dr. Kabambe Ndimayi mudzalandire portrait yanu. Ndipo kenako Engineer Kambala mudzalandira portrait yanu. Job well done. Job well done. So you can see kuti 25, that's 50 million. Kuzabera Njawala. Oh no. We are doing very well. We are doing very well. Mubere pa flant ya. Izo zonde ndizoona. Zona. Dr. and Mrs. Kabambe, please come. Koma Akabambe Round of applause. Taombani manja mampamvu. Manja mampamvu. Manja mampamvu. Manja mampamvu. Well done. Congratulations, Dr. and Mrs. Kabambe. Thank you very much. Zikoma kwambiri. Engineer Kambala and Madam Tabera Ninso Kutsogolokuno Nanunso Muzalandire portrait yan. Yes, you're doing that one. Yes. Aime mena na imira moja. Muta kwa sungira tu pabu ino pamene chinali pakuti atenge popita if you have got no place to keep it. Round of applause. Thank you. Sikoma kwambiri. Yes, mnamalize. Thank you, Angoma. Sikoma kwambiri. The next one is Njawala himself. Yes, your wife to join you. Yes, Mrs. Njawala, please join your clever husband. Abere mbali mene uku. Azala ndine mbali. Beautiful. Round of applause. Manja mao. Mufuna mchisungise? Beautiful. Dr. Mtumbuka. Azadenge Jawed? Yes. Ndio kuti just print one for Dr. Kaliat. Wonderful. Yes, you get it printed. Beautiful. Manjamo. Well done. Patron Mr. Masangwi tabera mudzati perekere kwa Dr. Kaliati portrait yao. Yes, Patron Mr. Masangwi honorable mutiperekere portrait imeneyi kwa Dr. Kaliati. Manja mwa Dr. Kaliati, manja mwao. Akusungirani then muchitenga mukamapita. Thank you very much. Zikoma kwambiri. Nthawi yanga ndi 11:45 ndikwena ndimalize pano 11 o'clock.
The reason why I have invited these in this order is because in our party we believe in order. So kulikose kumene tikupita tizikhala ndi order imene. After convention by 17 we'll have new office bearers who always follow that order. Dr. Kabambe, please join us. Dr. Mtumbuka, please join us. You're coming here to make a vow. Ena kumbuyo kwa manduzo de anakasainira de naona ena kuimba kuri izo saina zero saina ni saina. So tambenya saina ni mene.
Saina ni rero. Saina ni rero. Akabambe ojiro saina sikileja. Iwo nga UTM. Akambalo ojiro saina sikinelore. Yao ya UTM. Wo nga UTM. Hamayu ojiro saina sikileja. Iwo nga UTM. Saina ni rero. Saina ni rero. Tumbuko jito sainira sikineja. Ibonga UTM. Bonga UTM. Jawala ojito saina. Saina sikileja. Yeyonga UTM. Ibonga UTM. Omasangu ojito saina. Saina sikileja. Now songa UTM. Osenga UTM. Saina ni saina ni rero. Saina ni saina ni rero.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. I am absolutely sure in my heart that the soul of Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima is happy seeing this moment. We have taken an oath to make sure that Dr. Chilima's legacy lives on, and I'm absolutely sure he's happy that people can come together with their differences in their approach to campaign, but be one and the same as kids, as children from one family.